Hello everyone, if your voice is not recording in Xbox Game Bar, follow these steps. Connect your phone or your microphone first. If your microphone is integrated in your PC, let's go to the next step. Open Xbox Game Bar. Press Windows plus G in the same time. You will see this screen. In this screen, make sure to open this uh, this option right here. Here is not working, the microphone is not working, and here I have opened the microphone. To make sure it's working, you can press. Wait, I need to open something in order to record. You press the record button. Once you are recording, you see this bar right here, in which you can activate and deactivate the microphone. This icon means that you are recording. So thank you everyone and have fun. Goodbye.